What's up, guys? I am so pumped for today's workout. It is going to be awesome. So today was 90s day. I had a 90s playlist going, I did 90s makeup, I even got my 90s scrunchie, and of course my off-the-shoulder shirt, and then definitely supporting the tie-dye. Still wear that all the time. It was awesome. I had so much fun. So today's move is going to be froggy hops. I'm going to do 50 the one way, and then I'm going to do 50 in the modification. So let's get started. For setup, what you're going to do is you're going to come out in a wide plie, you're going to come down and jump up, and that would be one. So let's get started. So really make sure that you are nice and wide here. If you need to make it narrower for your knees, that's fine. Just try to make an exaggerated stance. Try to keep your chest up. Make sure your hands touch the ground. Reel and jump nice and high and land light on your feet. You should really be feeling this in your butt and your thighs. Really just try to breathe. If you need to, take your break, stand up, shake out those thighs, and just come back down. Ooh, my thighs are burning. So I had some NSYNC and some Backstreet Boys playing, had some Britney Spears. Whew, it was so much fun. We got in a debate who was better, the Backstreet Boys or NSYNC. I was definitely a Backstreet Boy girl in the 90s. Now I can admit though that Justin Timberlake is much better than all of them. But I totally had a crush on Nick Carter. He was my favorite of the Backstreet Boys. I thought he was so cute. Whew. Okay, last one of those. So now let's go for the modification. This one is a little bit less on your joints, at least on your knees, but it's going to target those shoulders. So you're going to come down in a plank, then you're going to hop your feet in, hop them out. In, out, in, out. Make sure that you are landing on the bottom of your feet. So definitely solid footing here. If you can only come up this high, that is fine. Really, the most important thing is to be using those abs to drive your legs in and landing with that soft, solid foot on the floor. And same thing goes as always if you need to. Drop to your knees. Whew. My carpet is moving like crazy. I think I'm going to take this little tree out. Good job, guys. Whew. Take your break. And really a lot of quads happening. I'm going to bring my carpet back here. Whew. So my poor little tree doesn't get massacred anymore. Whew. Okay. Come back up and jump again. Whew. So I had a hard time not penciling my eyebrows this morning. It was really rough for me not to do. Whew. This carpet is dangerous. Do you guys have a trend from the 90s makeup era that you really liked? I definitely was not necessarily a fan of the makeup, but I love the scrunchie and the hair. Back and move this carpet again. Actually, I'll just get rid of it. There we go. Come back up. Okay, now let's try it without this carpet. That's better. Don't feel like I'm slipping everywhere now. Really make sure that you're nice and strong through those shoulders. Really, like I said, use those abs. Whew. Whew. You can take your break here if you need to. These are definitely a total body move when you do them this way. happen again. Okay, come back up. Try to stay nice and low. I hope you guys are doing a little bit better than me. I've had a ton of mishaps today, but that's okay. We all have on and off days. The most important thing is I'm here giving it a go. The last one. Whew. If you made it through, good job, guys. Sorry for all the mishaps. That carpet was just super slippy. So thank you for making it all the way to the end of my challenge with me today. I really appreciate it. If you like this, please like and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I will see you in tomorrow's video.